wanted to talk about smells. Not necessarily the stinky ones, but for some reason I just had this flashback memory of grabbing and hugging my grandmother. She smelled like Pond's cream all the time. I love Pond's lotion, no matter what. It was always Pond's cream, and just, loved it. My name is Tishka Meyer, and I'm with Fancy Free Lifestyle. And I have been thinking about this all day. It's been driving me crazy. I just love the smells of walking into my grandparents' house. The food was always cooking. She's such an amazing cook. Everything always just cooked for days. Every time we went over, there was food everywhere, all the time for us. And the beer, my grandfather was always brewing some kind of beer. And it's like, oh, the smell of a fresh rain just brings joy and happiness to the soul. It's just refreshing, and I'm just love it. Nowadays, it is get up, kids, let's get out the door. Husband, let's go, let's get to work, da-da-da, I'm right behind you, let's go, 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 go. And it will smell like a wet dog or horse manure on the bottom of their boots from the barn. Like, oh, come on. I'd love to have that time back to be able to cook something all day long. Have that fresh smells, being outside, smelling this fresh air. Just the smells, the joy that it brings. So what am I gonna do about it? Well, I decided if I can find something that I could get rid of the 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, sitting in a cubicle, long commute, and make money at home, I could do that. So what am I doing? I'm doing just that. I am. So I am embarked onto an educational digital platform to learn how to do online marketing, business strategies, actually a lot of mindset, which has been really key to this whole process. So it's a whole package. It's not like, let me sell you something, a program, make some money off you. These mentors are with you this entire time. I've never been so enlightened and enjoyed an educational experience so much. Yes, it's taken another additional 10 to 15 hours a week that I am spending on it, but I am able to earn money learning the process because you're actually doing it, and it is just absolutely amazing. So I have fancyfreelifestyle.com. I'm going to offer you guys the same educational experience welcome package. Go to the website, the links below, get a free video series, meet my mentors, tell me what you think. So I thought for sure I'm going to need some products, I'm going to need some skills to be able to do this. Not quite how it goes. You know, I have no products. I do know how to cut, copy, and paste. I'm a master of that now, just saying. I have no idea how to design a website. I've done okay, check it out. I have no idea about this social media marketing. I didn't have an Instagram, I didn't have a Pinterest, I didn't have a YouTube. I do now. You know, I have a business Facebook page. Check me out on Facebook. It's just incredible. What is this going to do for me? I'm going to earn an income. I'll be able to have a business that I can work anywhere I want. A business I can take on vacation if I wanted to. Bring home, work from home, no commute, no 8 to 5, on a part-time basis, and start to enjoy the smells of success, of money, of owning my own business, the pride of being my own boss, just the freedom that I'm going to gain is so worth it, in my opinion. All of this is just my opinion. And I am loving it, just absolutely loving it. The people that I am meeting are incredible. So the smell of sweet success And right now I smell the barbecue. So that is my cue that it's time for me to go, because I'm having time out here on the patio and sipping some wine and barbecuing. That to me is pure joy. So I hope you find your joy. Join us, see what we're all about, and I will love an opportunity to work with you. Thanks for listening.